Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Instagram captions not showing. So if you try to upload a reel or post on your Instagram and you also add caption in your Instagram post or reel, and after uploading you see that your caption is missing or not available. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and then you have to simply turn it off again so that your internet or Wi-Fi connection can be restarted. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of iPhone storage. So here what you have to do, you have to simply offload the Instagram app. If you are using Android device, then you have to simply clear data and cache of your app. So here you have to simply click on Instagram app, and after that you have to simply click on offload app. As you click on offload app, you will be asked, the option will be available as reinstall app. So you have to simply reinstall the app. And after doing so, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do next is you have to simply go to App Store. And here what you have to do, you have to simply search for Instagram here. And you have to simply check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your Instagram. And after updating your Instagram, you have to check your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do next is you have to simply click on Profile. And you have to simply click on 3 lines here, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of help. So here you have to simply click on that, and here you have to simply click on report a problem, and you have to click on report a problem without shaking. And after that you have to simply report that problem to Instagram team, that what is the problem you are having. So after writing down all the details, and you have to simply add a screenshot of the problem, and you have to simply send. After that, your report will be submitted to Instagram team, and they will solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.